Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Spiritual Divya, and yes, we have an urgent message for you all. Hence, I'm recording it again from the crowd. You might be seeing 000, you might be seeing 777, 888, or 999. You are seeing this triple numbers, and in double numbers, you are seeing 44, 55, 33, and 22. Well, if you're seeing that, this video is all for you. Well, honey, you are under this transformation, not only spiritual but physical. Just like I have gone through a major shift in my life, and you too are going through this. Now, let me tell you one thing. Many of you might be coming across some people who have been draining you energetically, who have been trying to suck out every aspect of you which has helped you progress in your life, which has brought in that kind of change. So some of you are going through a process like, should I be adapting to this change? But honey, I am like, you have this feeling like, but I'm so emotionally connected to this person, so emotionally tied up to the situation, to this job, or whatever this is. I'm so engrossed and feel safe out here. But this same person, same situation has been giving you all the negative reasons or all the positive reasons, I would say, to go out of them, to leave the situation and proceed ahead in your life. And still, somewhere, just because you are a pure soul, just because you are, you know, someone who is a sweetheart, you're not able to take things thinking about your own self. You are quite down to earth person and you love serving others, and hence you're not able to consider what your inner child wants, what your inner self wants, but still you're trying to consider others. Really doesn't matter, because the universe is going to it will come up and keep on showing you the right reasons why you should be departing, why you should be parting your ways from them. Certainly 00 on the timer is what I saw. This might resonate again to you guys as well. What I'm seeing here is not only the lessons that you have learned, but it has also the confirmation messages. Yes, not only the lesson that you have learned, now you have got very much clear that no, this is not the time to look back, this is not the time to go back into the same cycle, same situations. It's rather high time that I proceed ahead in my life and I ascend. And it's the high time that you look to yourself and stop demeaning yourself altogether. You have gone through a very traumatic phase starting 24th or 25th of January till yesterday, that was 29th of January. You have gone through this purging, you have been crying, you have been venting out, your chest was heavy, you have got your heart chakras activation. So yes, you might be seeing more of green color, you might be seeing a palpation near your chest, and this is another sign that you are ascending, you are evolving, and it's all about the energies. Listen to your instincts, because this is high time. You're supposed to listen to your intuitions. Your intuitions are giving you clarity. The more you listen to your intuitions, the better the manifestation happens, the better you would be able to take everything this quick, like magic. You would be seeing this magic, you would be experiencing magic in your life, and this is where you will start believing, oh yes, I'm ascending. So whoever it comes to, whoever 333 on the timer, yes, whoever it reaches, it's a sign that, honey, you are ascending. Please keep going, don't stop anywhere, because the things that you have gone through, it has healed you. It has healed you to a level you have never thought about. And definitely there is someone coming into your life to take that care of you which you have been craving from that one particular person. I'm seeing more of a person energies which is trying to hold you back and never allowing you to grow back. This video is a sign. It's okay, you don't have to do anything, because universe is doing everything on your behalf. They are not, universe is going to cut short onto people who are not aligned with you, and it will make sure that they are not able to reach you. So definitely you're only meeting up with those people who are aligned with you and who are only energetically good for you, good for your energies. Because this is no time, there is no time for you to go back and help someone who's not really appreciative, who is not real, doesn't have any kind of gratefulness, kindness into them. It is time, high time, 444 on the timer. It is high time that you would be aligned with only those people, you would be accessible to only those people who are good for your energies. just keep cleansing your energies, just keep taking salt water bath. That will help you ease down and calm down, and keep doing whatever you're trying to do. So stop that laziness. Don't let laziness hamper you, or never get demotivated into whatever you're doing, because whatever you're doing, it's helping you progress in your life. So please stop. Don't just stop now. It's the high time that you keep going, keep proceeding, and I love you so much. If this reaches you, it's for you for sure. You're ascending. Don't stop. Keep going. Listen to your intuitions. If someone's energy says like, this is not my vibe, leave. Don't think twice. Just leave. Hope this helps. Stay tuned. Follow for more. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I love you all. Love you heaps. Bye bye. See you. Sayonara. Bye bye. Om Namah Shivaya.